Some discoveries defy all expectations. And the tale of the 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda, hidden beneath a funeral home, is one such legend. For nearly 40 years, this rare muscle car sat untouched in a basement, its existence unknown to the world outside. The secrecy surrounding its location only adds to the mystique, as few could imagine a $1 million Mopar sleeping quietly beneath a place of solemnity. This is the story of an automotive icon lost in the shadows, waiting to be uncovered and celebrated by enthusiasts everywhere. The 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda stands as a true icon in the world of American muscle cars. With only 59 units ever produced, its rarity is unmatched, making it one of the most sought-after vehicles among collectors and enthusiasts. Renowned for its powerful Hemi engine and bold styling, the 71 Hemi Cuda represents the peak of Mopar performance. Its limited production numbers and legendary reputation have cemented its place as a crown jewel in automotive history. Today, finding an original example is considered a remarkable event, often drawing significant attention and value in the collector market. In the early 1970s, a reserve funeral home director made an unexpected decision. He purchased a brand new 1971 Hemi Cuda. At the time, these cars were typically snapped up by young enthusiasts eager to race or collect them, not by someone outside the usual muscle car crowd. The director wasn't a racer or a collector. He simply walked into the dealership, signed the paperwork, and drove home in one of the rarest and most powerful muscle cars ever built. This surprising choice set the Hemi Cuda on a path unlike any other, shaping its remarkable story for decades to come. Choosing to store the car in the funeral home basement was an unusual decision, but it ensured the vehicle remained untouched and hidden from the world for nearly 40 years. This secluded location protected the Hemi Cuda from sunlight, theft, and the wear and tear of daily use. Over the decades, the car gathered dust, but its original condition was remarkably preserved. Few people knew of its existence, and rumors about a rare car beneath the building were dismissed as local legend. In the end, this unconventional hiding place became the key to safeguarding one of the rarest muscle cars ever built. The car remained untouched for decades, its body cloaked in a thick layer of dust that spoke to years of quiet isolation. The tires had dry rotted from disuse, further evidence of its long slumber. Remarkably, the engine was left in its original state, never tampered with or rebuilt. Even the documentation was perfectly preserved, providing a clear record of its history. These details combined to confirm the car's authenticity and exceptional originality. Whispers about a mysterious car tucked away beneath the funeral home drifted through the town for years. Employees occasionally caught glimpses or heard hints, but the director always dismissed their curiosity with a simple explanation. Despite the speculation, no one truly knew what was hidden below. The secret remained locked away, guarded by the director's silence. It wasn't until after his passing that the truth would finally come to light. As the new owners began clearing out the funeral home basement, they stumbled upon a mysterious shape concealed beneath decades of dust. Pulling back the covers, they were stunned to find the unmistakable lines of a 1971 Hemi Cuda. The shaker hood, Hemi badges, and original paint all pointed to its authenticity. Further inspection revealed matching numbers, the original drivetrain, and even factory paperwork still tucked in the glove box. This was not just any classic car. It was a genuine, untouched Hemi Cuda, hidden away for nearly 40 years. Collectors and automotive experts carefully examined the car, confirming its authenticity through matching numbers and the presence of its original drivetrain. The interior remained untouched, preserving the details exactly as they were when the car left the factory. Even the original paperwork was found tucked away, offering a rare glimpse into its history. These factors combined to make this 1971 Hemi Cuda a true automotive unicorn, unmatched in originality and provenance. The funeral home director's decision to hide the Hemi Cuda was driven by more than secrecy. It reflected his deep appreciation for automotive engineering. He was captivated by Mopar performance and understood the car's significance from the moment he bought it. Fearing the risks of theft, weather, and careless drivers, he saw the funeral home basement as the safest place to protect his prized possession. For him, preserving the car's originality was paramount, ensuring it remained untouched and unspoiled for decades. In his eyes, the Hemi Cuda was a masterpiece, worthy of careful guardianship rather than the open road. The funeral home basement offered an unexpected sanctuary for the Hemi Cuda. Shielded from sunlight, the car's paint and interior remained remarkably well preserved, free from fading or cracking. Locked away underground, it was safe from theft, harsh weather, and the curiosity of would-be racers or collectors. This controlled environment meant that dust settled but little else changed, allowing the car to survive for decades in near-original condition. Such protection is rare, making the discovery of this pristine muscle car all the more extraordinary. Expert evaluations revealed that this Hemi Cuda stands out as one of the most original and untouched examples ever discovered. Its authenticity, with matching numbers and preserved components, sets it apart in the world of classic muscle cars. For collectors, such originality is incredibly rare and highly sought after. This remarkable condition has only increased its desirability and value, cementing its place as a true automotive treasure. As news of the discovery spread, collectors from all over the country were eager to catch a glimpse of this extraordinary Mopar. Its unmatched originality and the decades spent hidden away only fueled its mystique. The car's value soared, with experts recognizing it as one of the most significant finds in muscle car history. Few vehicles can claim such a compelling combination of rarity, preservation, and story. Today, it stands as a testament to the enduring fascination with automotive legends. Among the handful of original 1971 Hemi Cudas still in existence, each car carries immense value and prestige. Auction prices for these rare muscle cars often soar past $1 million, reflecting their desirability among collectors. What sets this particular example apart is its extraordinary history. Hidden for decades beneath a funeral home, untouched and preserved in remarkable condition. While other Hemi Cudas have surfaced in barns or private collections, few can claim such an enigmatic past. This unique provenance only adds to its allure, making it one of the most fascinating discoveries in the world of classic American automobiles. The journey of this 1971 Hemi Cuda is nothing short of remarkable. Once hidden away in the quiet shadows of a funeral home basement, it spent decades untouched, its story unknown to the world outside. Over time, what began as a private decision to preserve a masterpiece transformed the car into an automotive legend. Today, it stands not only as one of the most valuable Mopar finds ever made, but also as a testament to the mysteries and surprises that still exist in the world of classic cars. Its legacy is defined by both its rarity and the extraordinary circumstances of its discovery. The Hemi Cuda stands as a symbol of American muscle car history, its legend growing with each new discovery. Stories like these remind us that automotive treasures can surface in the most unlikely locations, from dusty barns to forgotten basements. The thrill of unearthing a rare classic car continues to captivate collectors and enthusiasts alike. Each find adds a new chapter to the legacy, proving that legends are often hidden just out of sight, waiting to be revealed. Beyond the legendary Hemi Cuda, the world of muscle car collecting is filled with other rare and highly sought-after models. Cars like the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, SS 454 LS6, the Shelby GT 500, and the Pontiac Judge continue to captivate enthusiasts with their unique histories and limited production numbers. Each discovery or auction of these vehicles sparks excitement among collectors, fueling stories of hidden treasures and remarkable restorations. The ongoing search for these automotive icons keeps the community vibrant, as every new find adds another chapter to the legacy of American muscle cars. The Hemi engine stands as a testament to innovative automotive engineering, renowned for its power and efficiency. Its distinctive hemispherical combustion chambers allow for optimal airflow and combustion, delivering impressive performance on the road. Complementing this powerhouse is the iconic Shaker hood, designed not only for its aggressive appearance, but also to channel fresh air directly into the engine. Together, these features highlight the car's performance pedigree, making it a celebrated classic among enthusiasts. The tale of the hidden Hemi Cuda demonstrates that automotive legends are often found in the most unexpected places. Stories like this capture the imagination of car enthusiasts, fueling the hope that more treasures may still be waiting to be discovered. Each new find adds to the rich tapestry of automotive history, reminding us that passion and curiosity can lead to remarkable discoveries. The legacy of the Hemi Cuda continues to inspire, encouraging collectors and dreamers alike to keep searching for the next great automotive legend. Please like and subscribe for more amazing automotive stories like this.